Welcome, dear friends. Today, let us see one of the important technique used in that is possible in Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook email is one of the most widely used across the world, competing with the Gmail, Google Mail. One of the very important feature of Google Outlook is you can able to send a group mail. Group mail in the sense you can add a group of email IDs. You can name that group as, but you can give it a particular name. And once you click that group while sending email, all the members of the group will receive the email. That is what we call it as group mail. It is one of the very important feature that is available in Microsoft Outlook. Let us see the procedure or technique how to create a group Outlook mail. Thank you. Yes, this is the Outlook mail. Now, how to create a group mail. After opening the Outlook mail, just come down at the left bottom part. There is option called people. Just click that. Yes. Now you click new group. Along the new contact sites, if you click, there are three options are there. So in that, click new group. Now type the group name. Suppose I want to name it as company email group. Tell people the purpose of your group. Official. Now just click create. Now you can add members to that group. A particular added group, company email group. I am just adding first. Again, coming down. Second, then third. So this is a sample group which I am adding it, right, in order to create a group email. Now click this add. So in this particular group, 3 emails will be added. Similarly, you can add any number of emails. Now click add. Right. So company email group is there. It consists of 4 members. Right. Now you come back to Outlook. As normally, just try to send a new mail. So new message, click the new message. Now from this mail, you'll be sending it to the company email. So just click type CO Yeah. See here now, once you start typing the name of the group email, see this group will come. Just click that group. Right. This consists of 4 members. Now let me try to send a mail. Add a subject. Test mail. Regards. Right. Now click send. Yes, mail is gone. Now go to send item. Click this. Now click this company email group. 4 members. You could find the email is sent to this email, another email, another one, another one. So 4 emails have been sent in a single stretch. Right? So this is the purpose of creating a group email in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you. Thank you.